Are you drowning in clutter every time you walk through the door? You're not alone. As a busy professional and parent myself, I used to spend 10 minutes every morning hunting for my keys in this mess. It's more than annoying. Studies show a messy environment undermines focus and raises stress. Today, I'm going to declutter my entire home, one small area at a time, and show you how to do it too. Let's turn this chaos into calm. Hi, Shiners! Imagine walking into this room after we're done. You can literally feel the difference. Decluttering isn't just cosmetic. Clearing clutter directly reduces stress and can boost your mood. A tidy space also sharpens focus because your mind isn't distracted by chaos. In short, a clean house can make you happier and more productive. And this works for any space, home or office. In fact, even spending a few minutes each day to straighten your desk can build efficiency. So let's reclaim those lost minutes and declutter smart. Step 1. Set a 10-minute timer and start small. Feeling overwhelmed by mess and not sure where to start? You're not alone. We've all looked around and thought, where do I even begin? Here's the truth. You don't need hours, a perfect plan, or a spotless home to start seeing progress. All you need is 10 focused minutes. That's it. Today, I'm starting with just one cluttered corner. I set my timer for 10 minutes. That's the heart of our 10-minute declutter plan. And yes, there's a free copy waiting for you. Link is in the description below. No guilt, no pressure. Just me, a timer, and one small area. Maybe a countertop full of papers or that junk drawer that hasn't seen daylight in years. I clear everything off. I start sorting. I focus only on this space for 10 minutes. Then, ding, timer's up. And guess what? I feel accomplished. That small win lifts my energy. I'm more motivated to do just one more round. Experts actually say this is the key. Start small and stay consistent. It's more realistic than an all-day cleaning marathon, and it fits into real life, especially for busy parents, working professionals, or anyone just feeling stretched. So here's your gentle nudge. Pick one tiny space today, set your timer, and get started. Let that 10 minutes spark a ripple of calm through your home and your mind. Step 2. Sort and purge the clutter. Clear space, clear mind. Now that we've started small and set our 10-minute timer, it's time to sort and purge. This step is where the real magic happens, the moment where clutter finally loses its hold on you. Start by grabbing 3 boxes or bins, or even just 3 laundry baskets. Keep it simple. Keep for what you actually use or love. Donate for what can bless someone else. Trash, recycle for broken, expired, or just plain useless stuff. As I pick up each item, I ask myself 3 simple questions. Do I use this regularly? Will I truly use it again? Does it serve a purpose or bring me joy? If the answer is no, it goes. It's not about being harsh, it's about being honest. And finally, choosing you and your peace of mind. Here's what this looked like in real life. That stack of old magazines? Straight into recycling. A broken toy my kids haven't touched in months? Trash. A jacket I never wore once this winter? Off to someone who will use it. Donate. Pro tip: I follow advice from organizing experts. Completely empty the space first. I know it sounds extreme, but trust me, it works. In one session, I emptied an entire shelf, laid everything out, and sorted it piece by piece. Only the essentials went back. The rest? Bagged and gone. And the feeling afterward? Lighter, freer, motivated. Like my home could finally breathe again, and so could I. The feeling is this: I am generation. When we do Rejane, this places and manage rugs and far while use so much more. This isn't just about tidying up, it's about finally taking control of your space one item at a time, so you can make room for what really matters. So here's your challenge today. Pick one drawer, one basket, one corner. Sort, purge, let it go. And let that little win motivate your next one. If these tips are helping you imagine a clutter-free life, hit that like button and subscribe now. And do me a favor, leave a comment saying, "Clean home, clear mind," so I know you're with me. Every like and comment really helps me make more of this content for you. Step 3. Organize and give everything a home. Now that you've decluttered and kept only what truly serves you, it's time to organize and give every item a proper place. This step turns your space from just clean to truly functional. I'm not just talking about making it look neat for Instagram. This is about setting up a system that makes your life easier every single day. Here's what works and what I use. Use baskets, clear bins, drawer dividers, or labeled folders. Group similar items together, think all chargers in one box, all pantry snacks in one bin. Use vertical space, shelves, hooks, stackable bins. You'll be amazed how much more room you have when you go up, not just out. For example, I keep all my paperwork in a labeled file box. No more digging through drawers. My pantry cans sit neatly on a shelf liner so I can see everything at a glance. Here's a trick: label everything. When a basket says office supplies, I never have to wonder where the stapler or tape goes. It just makes putting things back automatic, even when you're busy or tired. That small setup effort saves you so much time and mental energy later. A tidy space encourages a tidy habit. One office manager told me she started doing just a 10-minute tidy each day, and now she can find any document instantly. No more stress, no more mess. So whether you're organizing a kitchen, a kid's room, or your home office, remember, if it has a home, it won't become clutter. Step 4. Tackle challenge zones. Conquer the hardest areas. Maybe it's that jam-packed closet, your garage, or the clutter in your office corner. Use the same technique. Set a timer and sort. Break these zones into chunks if needed. I like to do 2 back-to-back 10-minute sessions for a really big area. For instance, I spent 20 minutes clearing this closet. In the first 10, I pulled everything out and quickly tossed expired items. In the next 10, I sorted what remained into keep/donate. By the end, it felt like a brand new space. This momentum is suddenly even the scariest clutter zone is doable. Now, if you run a cleaning business or manage an office, try applying this at work too. One cleaning business owner told me she used a 10-minute blitz on a messy storage room, and her whole team felt motivated seeing that empty floor. Ready to take back control of your space, one small step at a time? Say goodbye to overwhelm and hello to peace of mind with our free 10-minute declutter plan. It's time to stop waiting for the perfect moment and start creating the calm, clutter-free home you deserve, even if you're short on time. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. This guide is designed to help busy people like you make real progress without the stress. Simple steps, easy to follow, perfect for your busy schedule. Download it now, and let's start decluttering together. Your future self will thank you. We did it. The clutter's gone, and I feel so much lighter, physically and mentally. It didn't happen all at once. I simply broke one overwhelming task into small, timed steps, and that made all the difference. If you ever feel like your space is too messy to manage, remember this: you don't need a full day. You don't need perfection. You just need a plan and a few minutes at a time. Your home doesn't have to be spotless to feel peaceful. It just needs progress. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate the little wins. You've got this. And don't stop here. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video, where I'll share the only cleaning checklist you'll ever need, seriously, to keep your space clutter-free. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments how decluttering changed your day. This is Nida. I'll see you in my next video.